Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Friends, today we get you an interesting puzzle known as tricky shape, banana and clock puzzle. So let's start solving this puzzle. Let's solve this together. Pause this video for 30 seconds and solve the puzzle. After solving, please share your answer in the comment section. So friends, your 30 seconds starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving it. Let's see what is the correct answer of this puzzle. Here we go. Taking our first equation. In the first equation, we have got three shapes. Hexagon. Inside it, it has pentagon and square. So we have got three shapes whose sum is equal to 45. On solving this equation, we will get one shape value as 45 by 3, that is equal to 15. So friend, from the first equation we have got value of one shape that is equal to 15. Now if we will look this picture carefully, we have got hexagon, that means it has 6 sides, pentagon, that means it has 5 sides, and square, that means it has 4 sides. That means total number of sides is equal to 15. 6 plus 5, that is 11. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. So each side value will be 1. Hence hexagon value will be 6, pentagon value will be 5, square value will be 4. That means each shape value is equal to number of sides present into that shape. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation, we have got two bunch of 4 bananas plus one complete shape. Complete shape means it has hexagon, pentagon and square in it. So we know the value of one complete shape. Putting that here in this equation and solving this equation to get value of banana. So that is 15 plus 2 into bunch of bananas is equal to 23. On solving this, bananas is equal to 23 minus 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. So friends, if bunch of 4 bananas is equal to 4, that means one banana will be equal to 1. Here end of second equation. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have one bunch of 4 bananas plus 2 clocks whose value is equal to 10. From the second equation, we have value of bananas, that is equal to 4. So 4 plus 2 into clock is equal to 10. So clock is equal to 10 minus 4 divided by this 2. So one clock value is equal to 3. Now friends, if we look this carefully, the timing on this clock is equal to 3. Hence we can conclude that the clock value is equal to the time shown by the clock. So 1 o'clock will be equal to 1. So this is end of our third equation. By the end of third equation, we have value of each item present in the puzzle. Now jumping on to our last equation. In the last equation, we have one 2 o'clock clock plus 2 bunch of 3 bananas and one shape, but this is not the complete shape. It has square missing. Now putting the values of these pictures in the equation. So as I told, the clock value is equal to the time of the clock. So here it's 2 o'clock shown by the clock. So value will be equal to 2 plus 3 bananas are there. 1 banana is equal to 1. So 3 bananas will be equal to 3 plus 3 into, we have this shapes which has hexagon and pentagon. So hexagon value is equal to 6 and pentagon is equal to 5. So 6 plus 5. Now we have written all the values of items present in the equation. Now we have to solve this equation. For solving this, we have to apply BODMAS, and according to the BODMAS, firstly we have to open this bracket present in the equation, and then we have to do the multiplication followed by addition. So opening the bracket will be 6 plus 5 equal to 11. So 2 plus 3 into 11. Now we have to do multiplication first, and the number which will come we have to add this. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5 plus 3 into 11 is equal to 33. Now 33 plus 5 is equal to 38. So this is our final answer, and we have solved this puzzle. Thank you friends, thank you for being with us. If you like this puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles and riddles. Thank you. Bye-bye.